So these are benefits employees get in kind. It is something that is given in kind by the employer. For example, if an employee is housed by a government or a school or a company, then his or her taxable income is equal to basic salary plus 15% of the basic salary, and then plus other allowances if they are there. So therefore, if this person is given these benefits, taxable income is equal to basic salary plus 15% of the basic salary plus allowances. In short, 15 times 100 plus 15% is 115. So you just simply write 115 divided by 100 times basic salary and then plus allowances. So in case this employee pays a little amount of money for the house that he has been given. Remember, teachers who stay in school, they pay, in case they pay some little amount of money, that amount is called nominal rent. If they are paying some little amount of money, that money is called nominal rent. So in this case, if they are paying some little amount of money that is called nominal rent, how do we calculate the taxable income of that person? Therefore, taxable income is calculated as follows. So if an employee is paying nominal rent, therefore, taxable income is equal to 115 over 100 times the basic salary plus allowances, and then you subtract the nominal rent. Remember, 115 is simply 50, that is basic salary plus 15% over 100, 15 over 100 times basic salary plus allowances, and then subtract what? Nominal rent. Therefore, what I've written here is simply this one.